Smith & Wesson has been a trusted firearm name for over 150 years. Their latest addition to their lineup is the M&P FPC Folding Carbine, a rifle that packs a punch in power and versatility. In this video, we will dive deeper into the features and specifications of the M&P FPC Folding Carbine. Smith & Wesson is a well-known name in the world of firearms, and the company has recently released its newest addition to its lineup of firearms, the M&P FPC Folding Carbine. This rifle is a compact, folding design that is optics-ready and has several features that make it an attractive option for those looking for a reliable and efficient firearm. The M&P FPC is a formidable weapon with a length of 30.4 inches, a height of 8 inches, and a weight of 80.42 pounds. The M&P FPC is a formidable weapon. Its caliber is 9mm, powerful enough to take down most targets easily. One of the most impressive features of the M&P FPC is its magazine capacity. It comes with one 17-round and two 23-round magazines, which means you can keep firing without reloading frequently. The in-stock magazine storage with a quick-release latch makes reloading convenient and quick. The M&P FPC is compatible with M&P full-size and compact pistol double-stack magazines, which adds to its versatility. The carrying bag with additional storage and Velcro straps make it easy to transport the M&P FPC wherever needed. At the heart of the M&P FPC is an action blowback system that provides reliable cycling and a smooth shooting experience. The rifle features a 16.25-inch barrel made from 4140 cm material, which provides durability and accuracy. The barrel is also threaded, allowing a suppressor or other muzzle device to be used. The grip of the M&P FPC is made of polymer, which provides a comfortable and secure hold. The grip's texture ensures a positive grip even in wet conditions. The rifle also includes thumb safety for added security, allowing the shooter to engage or disengage the safety with their thumb easily. The M&P FPC also includes an integrated recoil buffer system, which helps to reduce felt recoil and improve accuracy. The rifle also includes M-lock slots on the handguard and a picot-in-knee-style rail on top, allowing you to attach various accessories to enhance your shooting experience. The M&P FPC comes with a flat-face trigger with a crisp break, enhancing accuracy and control. The rifle also has a 1/2-28 threaded muzzle with a thread protector, which allows you to attach a suppressor or other muzzle device if desired. The rifle is finished in black and is made in the USA. It has no sights included, but it is optic-ready, which means you can add your preferred optic for improved accuracy and performance. The horizontal folding design of the rifle ensures that it doesn't interfere with any top-mounted optics you choose to add. In summary, the Smith & Wesson M&P FPC is a highly innovative and versatile rifle with exceptional performance in a compact and portable package. With its folding design, integrated recoil buffer system, and compatibility with M&P double-stack magazines, this rifle is a top choice for anyone looking for a reliable and convenient firearm. Overall, the Smith & Wesson M&P FPC Folding Carbine is a solid choice for anyone needing a reliable, portable firearm for personal defense, target shooting, or other applications.